Hello students, welcome to BioDigest. We are actually dealing with endocrine system. Please do watch my previous videos. Today we will be discussing about the thyroid gland. So where is the location of thyroid gland? The diagram is shown on the board. Location, as I told you in the previous videos, it is very important. It is actually a butterfly shaped structure, you can see here. Okay, so this what I am showing in dots. The butterfly shaped structure. Where is the location of thyroid gland? In front of the neck, below larynx. So this is the location of thyroid gland. I repeat, in front of the neck, below larynx is the location of thyroid gland, which is actually a butterfly shaped structure. Now this thyroid gland will be producing two hormones, thyroxine and calcitonin. Now let us see what are the functions carried out by thyroxine. Thyroxine regulates basal metabolism. That means it regulates the cellular oxidation and thereby increases the heat production during rest. That is the function that is carried out by the thyroxine hormone. Now, under secretion and over secretion of thyroxine can happen in the body. Under secretion is what is called as hyposecretion. So it is known as hypothyroidism, which means under secretion of thyroxine hormone. So what are the symptoms that are resulted due to hypothyroidism? One is simple goitre. Next is cretinism. And the third one is myxedema. We will see this one by one. What is simple goitre? Simple goitre is nothing but there will be enlargement or swelling in front of the neck. That is what is known as simple goitre. So this is actually resulted due to hypothyroidism. That means under secretion of thyroxine hormone. Another question can come for the board exam. Why this simple goitre is commonly found in hilly areas? What could be the reason? It is because in hilly areas, usually iodine is insufficient in the soil, and because of which the people of the hilly areas will not get a sufficient amount of iodine. And also the food crops grown in the soil will be lacking iodine. So it is because of this, usually hilly areas, the people will be suffering with simple goitre. So how will you write the answer for that question? It is because in hilly areas, the soil is deficient of iodine and hence the food crops grown in that soil also will be deficient of iodine. Because of which the people who are living in hilly areas will be affected with simple goitre. That is the answer. This usually comes for the board exam as give reason type of question. Now, cretinism, another hypothyroidism effect. This is actually affecting children. So the children will become dwarf. What is the meaning of dwarfism? Dwarfism means the children will be too short. They will not grow. At the same time, those children will be mentally retarded. That is what is known as cretinism. That is another hypothyroid effect. Now the third condition is affecting the adults actually, which is what is known as myxedema. So if an adult is suffering with myxedema, what will be the symptoms? The person will become sluggish. What is the meaning of that? That means all his activities will be slowed down. He will not be able to do his normal activities. Swelling of the hands and the legs will be taking place, as a result of which the person will become sluggish. So all these are the hypothyroidism effects that is produced in the body. Hypothyroidism means under secretion of thyroxine hormone. So it is causing simple goitre, which is an enlargement that is found in front part of the neck. Cretinism usually found in children. The children will become dwarf, at the same time they will be mentally retarded. Myxedema, which is affected in usually adults. The adults will become sluggish. Their face and hands will become swollen. So that is about hypothyroidism. Now moving to hyperthyroidism. What is the meaning of hyperthyroidism? That means over secretion of thyroxine hormone causes exophthalmic goitre. What are the symptoms of exophthalmic goitre? Again, there will be swelling found in front part of the neck, increased heart rate, the eyes will be protruded out. Okay, you will be able to find this type of persons. You will be able to easily identify such persons because you can see their eyes will be protruded out. Then shortness of breath, because heart rate is increased. So shortness of breath. All these are the symptoms of exophthalmic goitre, which is actually resulted because of hyperthyroidism. I hope thyroid gland is clear to everyone.
Let us recall. Thyroid gland. Location. In front of the neck, just below the larynx. Secretions. It secretes two hormones, thyroxine and calcitonin. Function of thyroxine. It regulates the basal metabolism. Under secretion, that is hypothyroidism, leads to three conditions: simple goitre, cretinism and myxedema. Simple goitre is the enlargement of the thyroid and is visible as a swelling in the neck. This is due to insufficient quantity of iodine in food. Cretinism is a condition which affects the growth of children, showing dwarfism and mental retardation. Myxedema is a condition that affects an adult. The person becomes sluggish with swelling of the face and hands. Hyperthyroidism. Excess of thyroxine may cause a kind of goitre called exophthalmic goitre. Symptoms: rapid heartbeat, eyes are protruded, shortness of breath, and forms a goitre in the neck. Please do subscribe Bio Digest. Thank you.